So hey guys, listen, I found this video in my library. Apparently I recorded it in the beginning of November. It's the Glow Addict Beauty Bag comparison. Now, it was when my arm was messed up. I couldn't style my hair. I couldn't put makeup on. But, you know, that's what happens when we are not all feeling well. So please bear with me and enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, our channel. Simply Steph, that's me. So in today's video, yes, I have my arm propped up on the table. I figured this one out. And my hair, she came out the mold too soon. And I'm okay with that. So anyway, in today's video, we have the Glow Addict Beauty BOX. Yes, it's in a bag. I was a little confused myself. And we have the Glow Addict Beauty Bag. Oh, label, sorry. We have the Glow Addict Beauty Bag. So what I thought I would do is open the two and see what's the difference between these two subscriptions that are from the same company. One is $5 less than the other. So if you want to see what the difference is it worth the extra $5? Is it not worth the extra $5? Then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not. Rate the video thumbs up and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, I thought I would do this one next, even though I do have a ton of boxes. I have BoxyCharm, I have Ipsy, I have my add-ons came, and my mystery boxes here from Ipsy, which I do want to go over because the BoxyCharm one, that's going to be in one video. I think when I open my BoxyCharm, I'll show you the add-ons as well. But I want to do that because some of this stuff is going in the box for the giveaway. Here's what I thought. I thought since my arm's kind of messed up, you know, and I can't really use it. Wow, really? Whoa, I can't reach on the other side. Okay, no. Then I thought boxes and all that. Maybe I could just left-handed cut the bag open, and or maybe just right-handed as long as I don't move my arm. All right. So let's just do that. Let's just open it up. And then I thought that would be easier than, you know, going through boxes and having to hold the box up and all that. So anyway, yeah, so this is what I see from the big one. You see that? Yeah. All right, so let me just kind of dump this out right in front of me. There you go, because it is a bag. Oh, I see something that has made its way. And I don't know if there's a card. Please have a card. Yes, there is a card. Glow Addict is pretty usually good about this. Oh, wait a minute. No. Is there a card? There's not a card. There's not a card. I'm going to have to edit this, guys. Okay, so it says, notice, we want to let you know that the coveted Derma E night cream did not fit in our regular Glow Addict Beauty Box, so we decided to bag the items in order to deliver a value assortment. Okay, so we know one product we're getting there, and I'm all down for Derma E. I really do. Guys, let me show you what happened. You see my nail? It broke. Yo, that is so weird, and it feels so weird. I'm going to have to go and get one nail done at the salon. What? Anyway, because I don't do my nails, or at least, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to figure something out. But anyway, yes, that says it here. That explains the bag. Okay, so now I got it. Now, remember, this is the box. So this is $18.99 plus it comes to $21 whatever. I'll put the total down below. There is, I think, $2.95 and shipping, or $2.99, something like that. So it's like around $21, $22, something like that. So the first item that we were just speaking about is right here. It's in the bubble. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open that. How's everyone doing? I hope everybody's okay. I'm so sorry for being gone. You know, I miss you guys. I don't like sitting around just bringing boxes in the house and then looking at them, and I know I should be getting them up. Okay, so well, this is kind of weird looking. Okay, so anyway, this is what I see here. It's got a little blue label. That's a blue label. So see, oh, whoa, I almost dropped it. Okay, so we have this, and this is Derma E. And again, guys, this is the hydrating night cream. So I'm all down for night cream. Yes, I am. Okay, so I don't, wow, that top wasn't really on there. Anyway, it's pretty full. So this is the night cream. Now, like I said, I don't know the prices. I will go ahead and look them up. If I can look them up, I will. And you know how I always do it. Okay. So that's the first. Oh, and it did have this on it, guys. I just took it off. Let me put it back on because I'll forget. I just wanted you guys to see. Sorry about that. Okay, and the lid was not really on all that well. We do have this brush set, and this is from Beauty... I can't read that. Glasses would help. Where are my glasses? Oh my God. I'm trying to do this one-handed and it's not working. Okay, so this is Beauty... what? Beauty... okay, Beauty by a Bird. That's right, Beauty by a Bird. I swear that's what it says. I don't know if you guys can... probably not. I just didn't want to touch the bag. I mean the brush. But here, let me see if I can get it out really quickly and show you. Wow. I'm tagging somebody. You got... we're all going to do this makeup challenge with the hand we don't normally use and only that hand and see how it works out. Because, you know, doing everything around the house with one hand is crazy. I just been like laying in bed. Okay, so I don't want to touch the bristles, but ow. All right. Let me just see if you guys can see that. Am I wrong? Is that right? Yeah, so Beauty by a Bird. Now here, since I have the brushes out, I will go ahead and show you. I'm not going to touch the bristles of this handle, and I will wipe this down, but I'm going to go ahead and put this back in if I can't. I can't get it back in. There's no way. I'll have to ask him to do it. So here are the brushes, okay? So I'm not going to touch the bristles in case I decide to put them in a giveaway. But they do look like very nice brushes. They're very full and fluffy, okay? So there, and again, I'll look for the price, put it up there. So that is the second product. Now, the bag, I believe, comes with 4 to 5 items. Again, I'll put it here on the screen or something. And again, I know it's $18.99 plus their shipping. Both of these have shipping. Okay, so now this is the palette. It's from Millennial Beauty, or Beauty, however you want to say it. This is what it looks like, okay? And oh, it does have little cute mushrooms and pumpkins. Definitely fall vibes, Thanksgiving vibes. Is that a pie? Yep, that's a pie, like an apple pie. So that's what that cover looks like. Let me go ahead and show you the packaging. There it is. That nail is driving me crazy. Okay, so when I open her up, this is what I see. Let me take the plastic off. Is it stuck? No. So here we have the shades, which they're cool. I like them. Okay, so that's pretty awesome. All right, so there. Oh, and there's one more thing. I'm sorry. Oh no, actually, there's 2 more things. I'm fibbing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Like, okay, so that is the bag. It's 5 to 6, I believe. And then the box. I'm sorry, the bag from Glow Addict Beauty BOX. From Glow Addict Beauty, you have the bag, and I think that's 3 to 4 items. I'm not sure. This is the. So this would be the 4th item. This is the kale. I saw these. I did. But in my TJ Maxx videos, I'm sure it was from the same brand. I'm going to have to go back and see. This one is the Kale Plus Vitamin B Fresh Press Sheet Mask. Hydrates and soothes dry skin. Vegan, cruelty-free for your parabens, synthetic dyes, and fragrances. I'm liking that. It says, selfie approved, don't kill my vibe. Oh, I don't kill my vibe. Okay, I get it. So there you have that. Now, the last thing I see here is the oh so infamous Appeal Beauty or Appeal Cosmetics bullet lipstick that is in that shade that we always get and I cannot use. So this is going to go probably in one of y'all. I have 3 of these, I think. 3 or 4 at least. So I will definitely put one in each of the giveaway winners, or I'll add it into one of the giveaway. If I have another giveaway, I'll throw it in there, but it's definitely going out within the next couple giveaways. So look for that, because it ain't going in the bin, that's for sure. Okay, so that was the box. Now that was $18.99, okay? So hang on, I'm gonna pull out the bag and we're gonna see the difference. Okay, hang on one second. Okay guys, so I'm back with the bag. Okay, now I did cut it because, oh, it took forever. All right, so let me dump it out. Hang on one second. Okay, so we do have another. Okay, so this is the bag now. Remember, I don't think they're going to be the same. I wouldn't think that if you get both, they would be the same. But here's the difference. Now, remember, that bag had five or six products. I don't remember. But this one has 4. So that is the difference. There is 1 product off. So we have 1 of these, okay? Now, this is $13.99, $5 less, okay? So we have, instead of 4 brushes, we have 1, which is... the name of the company again is Beauty by a Bird, okay? Beauty by a Bird. There you have it. And this is a flat shader brush, if you guys can see that through the packaging. Probably not. Let me hold this up like that. See? Okay, so there's that. And I don't know how much one brush, if I can even check it out. I will link the total. And this is Steve Laurent, and I'm betting it may be, because we get this a lot in a lot of subscription boxes, I'm thinking it's probably lip oil. I was just saying I wish I had another one so I could put 2 in the giveaway box. So maybe it is. Yes. Is it? Yes, it is. It's a lip oil. Again, there's the packaging, right? And then it's the standard lip oil, but I love this stuff. I have one myself in my little bag right here that I use all the time. And when I can find it, because if I'm carrying it around, I'll put it down and I can't find it. So if you guys are new, if anyone's tuning in that's new, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Become part of our family today. I do have 2 active giveaways going on. One is over on the 20th. That's the Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway, and then I do have the milestone giveaway for reaching 400. That's huge, and it also contains Jeffree Star products in both bags. On both boxes, there are 2 winners in that. And then here we have the, I don't know who this is from. Oh, this is from Ruby May. I like Ruby May shadows. I don't have a problem with them. This is what the packaging looks like, and when you pull it out, it looks the same. Okay. Sorry, I had to do it down here, guys. I can't. Whatever. Anyway, there's the packaging. That's oh so cute. It says Spice Latte by Ruby May Cosmetics. Oh, this is a cute little palette. It does come with a protector, I think. Yes. A protector. Okay. So it does have a mirror, which is cute. Kind of reminds me of like the ColourPop, but it's cardboard. So these are the shadows, and I kind of like them. These are definitely fall vibes. I'm kind of liking that shimmer right. Oh, and there's like a duochrome. It's like got sparkles in it. This one right here. So I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I don't know. Yeah, I can see it close. It's purple with blue sparkles. So that's pretty awesome. Then you have shimmers and you have some pumpkin colors. Definitely some rust. Yeah, absolute perfect fall palette for sure. So you have that. And again, I will try and link the price up above. I'm pretty sure I can find the price for this. And then we have the last product. Now, so to recap really quickly, we had the Steve Laurent lip oil. We have the one brush. We have the palette right here. Okay, so that's 3. And then there's the 4th product, which is this. This is Botanical Facial Steam. So it looks like kind of like a potpourri type thing. A gorgeous bouquet of vibrant, balancing, soothing, and reparative botanicals for deep down pore purifying cellular hydration. Okay, so it says in a bowl, cover small. It says to use in bowl, cover small handful of herb with boiled water, allow to cool slightly, and place towel overhead to create steam tent. Oh, like one of them things when you're sick. Okay. It says breathe deeply and enjoy 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it is. So balancing. So I guess it's for the inside and the outside. That's pretty like cool but weird at the same time. So this is what it looks like. It definitely looks like potpourri. I can't smell it and I'm not going to open it. So, I mean, because I'm not going to use it right now. So there you go. All right, so that's now, remember, these are the 4 products we got right here, okay? So this is for $13.99, and then we had in the bag, we had the Appeal lipstick. Hang on one second. Carly, stop chewing. She's chewing on the plastic that I just put down. Just put it down and she's chewing already. So we had the Derma E, which I'm oh so excited about. The hydrating night cream. So that's the second item. Let me just recap. Okay. So that's 2 items right there. Then we also had the brush set, okay, with 4 of the brushes when the bag only gives you 1. And then we do have the palette and the mask. So, I mean, guys, for $5 more, you do get extra products. So the $18.99 oh, my hair everywhere. That's crazy. My hair is everywhere. Oh, that's because I just took it down. Carly, no. She's digging in the box. She wants to sleep. This cat will try and get in any box, I swear, guys. So, yeah, this is $18.99. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so, I mean, what do you think? What do you think? Is it worth $5? Comment below. Let me know down below. Do you think it's worth the $5? Now, I have seen the bags, and I was like, that's a cute bag. I like what's in it. And I'm like, wait, is that what I'm getting? And I'll look, and it is the bag. And I'm like, I'm getting the box. So then I look at the box. Sometimes I like the bag better than the box. I'm not kidding. Even though there's less products, but some of it just depends. It's really strange. So I just want to hear your opinion. What do you think? Is it worth the extra $5? Comment below, okay? And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. We have fun here. Talk about all things beauty, both inside and out. This is kind of a channel like what you see is what you get type of thing. I am who I am on or off the camera, obviously. Yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become part of the family. We have fun here. And with that, I will say thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, again, don't forget to rate the video thumbs up whether you're subscribed or not. And yeah, guys, if you are blue, please reach out to somebody. Do not keep it in. Talk to someone. If you want to say something to somebody, please don't wait. Tell them time is short. I experienced that, and it's not a good feeling. The person was gone, and I couldn't tell them. If you hear the scratching, that's Carly trying to get in to the little box down there that I put. And also, in this crazy mixed up world, please, guys, to all my family members out there, stay safe. See ya. Bye.